Good morning again. This is Hacky Craft. If you haven't figured out where all this was going, here's the final culmination of what all this is, means to me. So a couple things. One, so now we figured out how to screencast from the phone to the glasses using the Rokid Station and the NewQ hub. If you haven't seen that, look in the other videos. I don't give a really detailed tutorial, but it's pretty straightforward. If anyone needs help, feel free to message me, and I'm happy to message back. But basically, this all gets your phone connected and screen sharing. And what you can do, the use case would be if you have one of these guys and you'd like to have the controls mirrored on your glasses as you're outside flying. You can actually use this arrangement. It's not too much to carry. This has a battery in it, and it goes in one pocket in my shorts. This can reside in my other pocket, goes on my head, and now it's not much different than flying the drone as it is. There's no wired connection from the phone to anywhere, so I'm not trying to juggle multiple wires. The lag is actually surprisingly quite good. There's already a little bit of lag from here to here in terms of video. Very small, and from here to the glasses being on a very close local network, it's really almost none. The lag is fantastically short, so it's extremely usable, very reliable. I used this for about a half an hour this morning flying around, and it was really nice to be able to see everything from the camera show up in the glasses, so I could both look at the drone through the lenses themselves, and then being outside, had this up to full brightness, so I could also see through the image and see the drone. So it created a really neat use case. I think I need to play with it a little bit more to kind of fine tune the bugs, but essentially it works really well, surprisingly well. And I might try to capture some video and show this in action. Just wanted to show this is where everything comes together and how it works. And feel free to write me if you have any questions. Leave them in the comment. I'm happy to help out, but this couldn't have been more straightforward. The only issue, two issues were, one, that again, if anyone has any trouble, the audio for the glasses, you do need to press down the volume rocker and hold that in until you hear the second beep, and then after the second beep, the audio works fine. And the other thing is, if someone wants to know why aren't you just casting from the phone directly, why aren't you using the display output from the phone, where there's only one? For one thing, the question about why don't I use the USB-C on the phone, it is being occupied by the drone transmitter receiver. It plugs in right here with a cable, so that's unavailable to me to use. And the question about using some other sort of third-party casting, this is a Pixel Fold, and Pixel is not compatible with most of the third-party casting other than Chromecast. So this kind of got me where I am right now, is in order for this to work, you have to have functioning Chromecast. In order for Chromecast to work, you need a local network. So this meets all the requirements, and it's not too cumbersome, and actually works quite well. So as a solution, here you go. If anyone else is trying to get this to work, works beautifully, no issues. Thank you. Feel free to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll try and do more of these. And we'll put another video too up here, maybe a short showing the actual drone flying around. Thanks. Bye.